If a plus b equals 1 and a squared plus b squared is equal to 3, then what is a to the power of 8 plus b to the power of 8? You can pause the video now, try it yourself, and leave your answer in the comment section. You can also stitch your solution to this video. But now we're going to solve it together. To begin with, there are two ways to get the terms a to the power of 8 and b to the power of 8. Either we can raise both sides of the equation a squared plus b squared equals 3 to the power of 4, or we can raise a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4 to the power of 2. You can go with the first option and use the Pascal's triangle to do the expansion, but the second option is much easier. So now if I rearrange the equation for a to the power of 8 plus b to the power of 8, I end up with a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4 squared minus 2 times ab to the power of 4. So now we need to figure out what is a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4 and what is a times b. These two questions are much easier to answer. Next thing we'll do is we'll take a plus b equals 1 and square both sides. As a result, we end up with 2ab plus a squared plus b squared equals 1. Now remember, a squared plus b squared is just equal to 3. When we substitute that in and solve for ab, we get ab is equal to -1. Next, we're going to figure out what is a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4, and we're going to use a similar strategy. We'll take a squared plus b squared equals 3 and square both sides. After some algebra, we'll end up with a to the power of 4 plus 2 times ab squared plus b to the power of 4 equals 9. Since we already know that ab equals -1, we can substitute that into the equation and we'll have a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4 equals 7. Now that we have figured out these two values, we can go ahead and plug it into our original equation. Once you do that, you get a to the power of 8 plus b to the power of 8 equals 47.